Jump in the lights. Oh, jump in the lights. Oh, he's jumped the lights. Saved yourself about half a second there. Well done, mate. Oh, he's jumped the lights. Oh, another one jumping the lights. And an illegal right turn. And that's a left hook there. I'll grab that left hook. There's one going the wrong way down a one-way street there. Pity there's no kind of enforcement in this area. And there's another one going the wrong way down a one-way street. Oh, jump in the lights. Jump in the lights. What's this one doing? He's on the wrong side of the road there. Whoa, jump in the lights. I hope you get hit by a bus. Whoa, jump in the lights, jump in the lights, jump in the lights. All the scum, and another one, jump in the lights. Cyclists, motorists, all the scummy scum, jump in the lights. Jump in the lights. Jump in the lights. And there's another couple of twats cycling on the pavement. Cycling on the pavement, you cunt. Jump in the lights. Jump in the lights. And there's one cycling on the pavement, not even bothering to look where he's going. And there's another one cycling on the pavement. One cycling on the pavement there. Oh, there's one going the wrong way up a one-way street. Jump in the lights. And a couple of scum down the pavement. There we go. Oh, jump in the lights. There's one cycling on the pavement there. What the hell? Bloody moron. There's one cycling on the pavement. Jump in the lights. One cycling on the pavement there. What a tosser. Jump in the lights. Jump in the lights.